didn't mean to do that. Oh wow, that shit was so fucking funny. Like I was like, oh my god, you ain't see her face? No, didn't recognize her. I just knew she was quiet, and that was it. Yeah, that was it. I was just. She definitely was a little touched. She was definitely. I don't know if she was jealous, but it seemed like it was a little. I thought she had already been watching and then called. Then I don't know. I don't know. So. You really didn't see. Damn, you be in your own world. Yeah. You dead ass did not. Yeah, you couldn't. I wasn't watching her like that because I know 21. So I was just like, look. I was trying to show her, look, 21. I'm over here with my son. I'm chilling. And whatever else. They keep saying play it. Hold on. I'll show you. What happened? Because that shit was so fucking. Dog, oh my gosh, that shit was so funny. Let's check it. She was making so many faces at you. It was pissed. Oh, y'all run that stuff. Yo, I love how you got the judgment screen. You got like the court office, like you're the judge. I gotta have the production. You got the court office. Okay. Yo, hold up. I ain't ready to get finished getting my hair done. Huh? Oh, no, I gotta get my hair done, son. Okay. Well, come help me. You help me. Come on. You can help me take care of it. Come on. You want to bring up your set here? There's not enough space for that here. Can somebody clean my fingernails? Can somebody come clean my fingernails, please? In the fucking music. In the music playing, bro. Oh, we can't see her face? It's the music. You could try it. God sent me that playlist. No, it's not mine. That's what I mean. You ain't noticed this the whole fucking time. I was looking at myself the whole time. I didn't even notice it. She was so mad every time you kept showing your shit. She was so mad. Oh, I gotta still get my hair done. I can't do that. No, you want to go on there and play like this. I really did not. Play with other people. Okay, so at this point, the comments were saying you was trolling because you kept it going on for like literally, well, you was just in your own, you know what I'm saying, the zone of being around your kids for like a whole, like you was showing that for like a whole 5 minutes and she kept making faces at you. She was so mad, rolling her eyes. From my perspective, I thought 21 wanted to just be there while I was doing what I was doing. And so I just kept doing what I was doing, and my son gets my attention first on me. Let me tell you something. Right. Bigo. Well, she don't understand. Let me tell you something. My followers, can I say this real quick? My followers, people that watch me and give me attention, they come like number almost one in my life. Almost number one. Y'all, don't let him win. Let's get a shield, y'all. TT in the building. I'm gonna win, y'all. Don't even try, because she's. Y'all hear him? TT's gonna make sure that I win, so don't even try it. It's all good. Another thing, I don't know. Maybe not. Okay, y'all, do not let him win. Y'all hear how cocky he was? Yeah, but I see. Y'all hear that? Oh, you want to run it back? Yeah, we can definitely run it back, but you already see. Yeah. Oh, we didn't know it was on that time. Okay, we didn't know it was on that time. Hold up. I didn't know we were doing that. Okay. We want to win. You want us to win today? I mean, we was chilling at first. I just want to know where you want us to win today. You want us to win today? TT, what happened to you, TT? Okay. All right, I see what time it is. Okay. Okay. You still going to China party on New Year's? Where? Or was you playing? Yeah, you was playing. I thought you was for real. China 504. Yeah, we could go. You remember we was all lined up, but you was, allegedly you was on. Yeah, you go. Hurry up and who here? Oh, why they joning you, bro? They said you mad because your hair won't grow in the front. Why y'all always coming for this man? Leave this man alone. Y'all need to leave Nature Boy alone. Nature Boy, you done toned down. When you was first on this app, like I used to hear so much crazy shit, but I definitely say you done toned down a lot. I think. Yeah. From what I've been observing. They like messing with me. They know I know how to take it. And that's cool. Because, my head look like a lot of these women heads that if they take that glue out, we be in the same tribe. Take that lace front out. Oh, now he coming for y'all ladies. We be in the same tribe. Who coming for me? Who wanted lace front crew? Pull up. You and Pumpkin, you had the same length. It is giving me Pumpkin. I do see that, y'all. Y'all right. Y'all know how Pumpkin be wearing it. Yo, that shit do stop right there. No edges in the front. Yo, they said he took all right, so lace front. Yup, him Pumpkin twins. Y'all so rude. They said you about to cheat. Your mother cheat? Take that energy to Pastor. Oh, what happened to you and Pastor? Y'all was lined up or something, but I was. What? I had to go to what's wrong with me? Wasn't y'all lined up? I ain't got no problem with Pastor. Who told you that? The deacons? The deacon. Oh, I didn't know the deacons told you. Look, deacon and the first mother, the lady at the church said I had a problem with Pastor, and Pastor, I told Pastor to pray upon me, and Pastor prayed for me, and I said, Lord Jesus, please tell Pastor to pray for me, Lord, please, Pastor, pray, Pastor, please, Pastor, please pray for me, please, Pastor. And I don't know why somebody would tell you that I would be in trouble with my pastor. My pastor. Not my pastor. All right, y'all, we finna run this PK back. We got one more round, y'all. I need y'all to knock him. My pastor. Okay, so finish. So he prayed over you? That's you for real? You troll? I feel like you trolling, but finish. My pastor prayed for me. We went to church, and I said, I love going to church, reading my Bible. I like to come out, make sure that everybody good. I'm good with my pastor. I'm good with my pastor. Me and my pastor just fine. I've been with my pastor 15 years, and ain't nobody gonna tell me that I'm in trouble with my pastor. And I know okay, well, what about the first day? He would never say nothing like that about me. I pay my tithes every month. I pay my tithes. Every month. Now, why would you say that? Your grandma got a problem with pastor. Y'all run me up, so we can shoot. Y'all know I was with your grandma. Give me my second problem with pastor. Girl, you need to go home, sit down. You know damn well I ain't got no problem with pastor. And I see my pastor the other day. I said, Pastor, pray for me. Because it seems like I done raised these kids and they ain't got no respect for me. I done did everything I can to raise them, Pastor. And I'm a good man. And I'm a good man. Okay, but listen, what happened to you and Keith Jones? What happened to y'all when y'all lined up today? Let's get into the tea. Let's get into the nitty gritty real quick. So we want to know on this round of the PK, we want to get right into it. You know what I'm saying? We kind of did the pleasantries. We did the nice conversation. Now let's rip off the motherfucking bed. Who did you? So now we want to know, sir. We want to know what happened to you and Keith Jones, because I missed that. So who? You and Keith Jones. Keith. Oh, y'all. Now y'all did not let him send a shield to his stuff. Y'all, we need a shield. I already told y'all. I know y'all did not let this man send a shield to himself. I know y'all did not recharge. Yo, that's who you remind me of, nigga. You know who you remind me of? I know y'all did not recharge and let him know. Yo, hold on. Nature boy. Hey, yo, you know who you remind me of, yo? If you win this round, that's good. I ain't no hate. Yo, look, you know who you remind me of? On some real shit, you know who you remind me of? You remind me of Hits from the Streets. Remember Hits from the Streets from BET? No, Hits from the Streets, nigga. Thank you, no name. Put that on your thing to look up. Let me Google him just to make sure you're not joning. No, go to YouTube and put Hits from the Streets BET. That nigga used to be funny as shit. I'll tell you, Hits from the Streets. We got the shield. Oh, y'all, we almost in the lead, y'all. Run it up. Oh, we about. Yeah, I told you we gonna win this one right here. I told you we gonna win this one right here, Charlie. And you said in the last minute right here. I'm sorry to let you know you taking this L, brother. You taking this L, brother. I told you. Okay. You taking this L. It is what it is. You ain't in Nature Island no more. You in Atlanta, Georgia. You in my territory. You taking this L, bro. Oh shit. Period. Y'all heard that? Run it up, run it up, run it up. They don't wait till the match. Now let him win, y'all. They say he tried me, right? I look better. I already know y'all look better. Y'all know what he giving me? Oh, hell no, he did not. Angel. Angel. Oh, fuck no, you little motherfucker. Okay, period. I see how you motherfucking playing. I see how you motherfucking playing. Not you call. Okay, who the... Oh, that's my favorite gift. They still got that gift? Oh, perfect. You got me fucked up. That's my favorite gift. Oh, you got me fucked up. Wow, remember that gift. Remember this gift? Okay, we're going to have to do an official pick. Oh. We're going to have to do an official pick. Bro, I remember this gift. Damn. They ate on your side. I ain't even mad. No remember, this is my favorite gift. Kudos. That's crazy. Kudos. Your Fufu page ate that. I get it. Like, no, your Fufu page really ate it. Nah, we was not ready the last time. Y'all did y'all damn. You did your damn. Appreciate it, y'all. Perfect. Hey, look, we wasn't ready last time. Yeah, today is my day. Yo, my son gets dropped off. Yo. I get 4 boxes. Yo, we get the good perk. Oh, every TT fucking, I got so many blessings. And then this nigga Z come through and put me on the box for the day. I got the Scully on. Oh, shit. Yo, I ain't gonna lie to you. I had a Merry Christmas because of y'all. Thank you. Yo, for real, from the bottom of my heart, my tribe, everything. I got a lot of gifts, and I got a lot of, y'all gonna make me cry, yo. I'm gonna hold it in, but I'm grateful. Thank you. Thank you for loving me. Thank you. I'm gonna hold it in. If y'all could feel my heart through the phone, thank you. I'm thankful. You really, wow. You really made me feel good. Like, I'm truly happy. Like, I'm happy. Like, I feel good. Like, in my whole being, I feel good. And thank you for making me feel this way.
Like, I truly, through and through, feel good. I'm serious. I feel amazing. My brain is on candy right now. Like, I'm on sweets. Nigga, like, I feel amazing. I don't never want to stop feeling like this. Ever. Thank you guys so much. You guys have contributed me so much joy and peace and balance and even tough love. Thank you so much. Oh my God, thank you so much. You guys are amazing. Look at this. My cup overflows with love. Look at the hearts. People tapping their screen, sending me love. I can feel you. TT. TT got the backup page to let me know I got your back. I got your fucking back, King. I love you, King. And then it ended on the crown. Boom. That was it.